Hello everyone, this is Clovis from the Fritz Lab blog in one more video for you. Today we're going to talk about a currency conversion. We're going to implement a currency conversion display, OLED display. It's going to use a ESP32, one OLED display and one online API. I'm going to show you all about right now. So here's the prototype. You can see the OLED display already showing a value. So $1 USD, $1 US dollar buys 0.9143 euros right now. This is October 10th, 2024. It's being updated every 30 seconds, this display. As I told you, I'm using a ESP32C6 as a controller. I made this board myself with the ESP32C6. It communicates with the display using I2C, which is the green and the blue wire you are seeing in front of you. As I said, it's been updating the euro value every 30 seconds, and it uses the API. I figured out about the API online that gets like many currencies, and then I decided to show you USD to euro. Do you want to see the code? Let's see. So this is the code. This is the Arduino IDE, as you can see. The API is awesomeapi.com.br. It's a Brazilian service, but I mean, you can access this worldwide. Doesn't matter, right? As you can see, I'm fetching USD to euro, right? Let me show you a little bit more. So what happens here? There's this variable called payload, which is receiving the payload or the dollar to USD to dollar to euro value. It calls this getString, http.getString function, and saves the information to payload, right? Then I'm determining the JSON, I'm initializing the JSON stuff with remote data, right? Here something nice happens, something different. So this API fetches information with these brackets. So I have to replace the brackets with like no space, with no character, with nothing, right? So I remove the brackets and I replace with nothing so that the JSON can work, right? Then I do a deserialization in here. I get the payload that is a string and convert to char. The deserialization needs a char to work. Then the conversion or the converted value is the bid. So there's one of the informations that comes with the fetched JSON is the bid, which is the value I'm interested in. So I put bid in here, and conversion gets then the value. Then I'm updating the OLED display, right? The variable conversion with 4 decimal places to show on the screen. So again, here's the prototype working. It's showing 0.9145 euros to every dollar, right? See you next time, guys.